What's up guys, Donnie here and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, today I got the KINGKONG tiny6, this little mini whoop. This thing's actually really awesome. I've been flying the heck out of it and I'm surprised I haven't lost any propellers. I have pushed one through where you can actually see the shaft coming through there, so I'm gonna have to order some more props. But this thing is becoming like one of my favorite drones right now. It's just super fun, and you can fly them indoors, outdoors. It's brushed, uh, it's not going to cut through the wind too much because the motors aren't too big. It's like 615 brushed motors. It's the frame's 65 millimeter, and the propeller size is 31 millimeter size. So I just want to give a shout out to Ryan from RD's Drone Reviews. Thanks, Ryan, for sending this to me, buddy. I really appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't checked him out already, I'll leave a link in the description. So check out Ryan's channel, RD's Drone Reviews. So check him out, guys. Got a lot of good stuff on there. So anyways, I just wanted to do a quick brush over. There's millions of probably videos out there already on YouTube, but I'm just gonna do a quick run over on this. I already told you the frame size, the propeller size. The camera on here, the VTX is 25 milliwatt, and it's 16 channel. And so in here, there's a couple little buttons in here. Can't really see it that good, but you have to get like a little something small, little screwdriver to be able to change the channel in there. Also, there's videos out there if you're having problems trying to bind it. There's another little button in here that you have to try to set when you're binding it to your transmitter. So just look for those videos. There's a lot of good guys out there that cover that way better than I will. I'm just now getting into these FPV racers and stuff like that, these little whoops. So this one, it's got 800 TVL, and it's got a 150-degree angle. The camera is, so it does a really good job. I mean, I can see really well using this. It doesn't put that much of a pitch, so you're not going to be losing any view and not being able to see in front of you. It's not super powerful, but it's good enough. It cuts through the wind okay. About 3-mile-an-hour wind I do find outside. But it does really good indoors too. It's just super fun. It does come with the little stick battery here, and this one is 250 milliwatts, and it's 3.7 volt. And this one is actually, I believe this one is the 30C on this. So they have, it says 30/60C, but I believe it's just 30C on that. So what else do I want to cover real quick here? The charger it comes with. This is the charger, and it's actually got two settings. You got 200 milliwatts, or 200 milliwatts or milliamps, excuse me, and then it's got 500 milliamps. So it's got two different connector styles on here. The KINGKONG one would be right here on this side here. So it takes the smaller part, but I have a different charger that I use. But you just plug this into your computer or a wall socket. You can use one of those sockets there, but I have a separate charger, one that's a little bit different than this, but this works really well too, so especially for like on the go. So the instructions are really good, all in color. It's more information for you. It's in English and Chinese, so they got everything covered there that you need. Mine's set up, mine's the Fly Sky, so I'm lucky because Ryan already set this up when he had it, so we have it hooked on the Fly Sky. This is the i6, and it's an old one, but this thing works really well. He's already got the buttons all set up here, the switches, so I got stabilization, horizon, and then acro right here. So this transmitter controller right here works very well, so it does the job for this little guy. So all right guys, I think that's about it. I wasn't going too much detail. Like I said, you can hook it up to Betaflight. KINGKONG did a really good job and has everything pretty much set. They kind of say don't mess with it, that they have everything kind of set up there, so you shouldn't have to do anything. But some guys like to tweak them a little bit and you know, change a few little settings, but you can if you want to. But so far, I know Ryan didn't have to do nothing on there, and it flies really well. So, all right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. And Ryan, thanks a lot from RD Drone Reviews. Guys, please don't forget to go and check out his channel. Hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're not subscribed to me, please hit that subscribe and like button. I'd sure appreciate it. All right, guys, like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.